Hey guys, how's it going? So I just picked up this 1 ton dumper. I don't know the age of this vehicle, but it's quite old. The tyres are flat. They put some wind in them. Winched it on the trailer and then rolled it off here. We just need to... originally these were crank handle, but someone's put a starter motor and a starting flywheel. So needs a battery. Needs oil. So let's get some oil in it, and we'll see if she'll start. It's got diesel. No idea when this last run, so yeah, we'll get some oil in it, and then we'll get a battery on it and see if she'll crank. Just top this oil up for the start. Not sure how much these hold. Obviously it'll need a oil change and filter change. I imagine it hasn't been done quite some time now. Needs more. So about a quarter. Put a bit more in. Just below full, that'll do. We'll be changing it anyway soon, so we'll get the filters for it. This is the oil filter right here. Sweet. And there's the fuel filter, decompression handle, starting. Originally would have had a crank handle on this, and that's the model number, PH1. Single cylinder Lister Peter, I think, and then it's got a 3-speed with reverse, diesel tank. All the pipes are pretty much messed up, need fixing. So let's get a battery on this and see if she'll crank. Look at that. That sounds amazing, doesn't it? It's single cylinder engine, brilliant. It does smoke a bit, but it is old. An exhaust leak right there. see if she drives. Well, she definitely needs some work. She does smoke a bit. And gearbox won't tighten up. Can't find the gears. It's like some 3-speed with reverse. And then that new part, looks like someone's worked on this at some point. Brakes don't work, they need attention like. Clutch needs tightening up slightly. Well, she runs and drives. Now it's just going through and greasing all the grease points, seeing which ones need replacing. Point ain't cutting hole for we've got the crank handle for it too, so we can still crank it by hand. And then hitch holes at the side here, probably get something centre mounted for that. The tyres aren't too bad. There's a bit of cracking, but they do the front's hold there. The backs were flat when we first went and looked at it. But yeah, a bit of TLC and a few oil changes, filters, and some exhaust repair. And I think she'll be a good toy. Need some attention. Over slop in them. There's a fair bit of slop in the clutch there, but most of it's the working parts of it that are all loose. So all them linkages need tightening up. The gear stick needs a bit of attention, that's a bit loose. throttle's not too bad, that works well. The get a bit of blow by on the engine, so I imagine the rings are quite bad in it. And then judging by the state of everything, I imagine these filters haven't been done for a long time, so they need sorting. But other than that, it drives and dumps and does what it's supposed to do. It's a little underpowered with the rings blowing by there, but you put it in first gear, it's unstoppable. But yeah, we'll get round to probably in the next video doing the brakes and just going through everything and getting all the throttle and all the levers and whatnot getting working properly, and filters, oil filter, oil change, fuel filters. Tank needs some attention, needs a new banjo. It's all snapped off for the fuel return, or injector bleed off, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so cheers for watching, and I'll see you next time.